Now we will see how the fluidization technique is working. So here this is a simulator to simulate the fluidized bed combustion reactor, and you can see here this is a cylindrical vessel. We have part of the vessel is filled with the sand. The fluidization media can be sand or silica. So it is placed the net underneath, so that we are sending the flow of air through the bed. So then that makes the fluidization of the sand, and to go on combustion you have to have the sand bed heated up to certain temperature. So for the startup we use electrical, we use the oil burners to heat up the bed to a certain temperature like 900 centigrades, and then we start injecting our fuel, the solid fuel which we are supposed to burn in the process. And when we are injecting fuel into the fluidization bed, that makes the uniform distribution inside the bed, and also oxidize at the temperature, and also it is having air from the fluidization process. So when the fuel is oxidized, it releases heat, and then the bed temperature is going up and up. So we need to control the bed temperature to have better emission performance. And then what we do is we have pipes immersed into the sand bed which are carrying water, and these pipes are taking heat out of the bed, and the steam is generated inside those pipes, and those steams is going into the steam plant where we run steam generators to produce heat. Once the bed is at adequate temperature, so we can inject the fuel into the fluidization bed, and that fuel will be distributed uniformly in the bed and also oxidized, since it has enough temperature in the bed, as well as it is finding oxygen easily from the fluidization the flow. So when this the fuel is oxidized, it releases heat. That heat will keep up increasing the bed temperature. So then, since we need to control the bed temperature, also we have to extract heat for our industrial process. What we do is we have the pipes immersed into the fluidized bed, where those pipes are carrying cooling water, and when the heat is released, the cooling water get heated, and it generates steam, and that steam will be going into steam plants where we run steam turbines to generate electricity.